Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I wanted to talk about the different pots that you can use as well when it comes to water bath canning. Now this pot I have here, I don't remember how many quarts it is. My top is in there somewhere. But anyway, this was something that was great when it came to doing high acid foods, meaning like pineapples, peaches, jams, and things of that nature. So I was able to pressure can those, not pressure can, water bath can these in this pot. Now I got this pot because I didn't have a deep pot at home and I really needed it. But yeah, if you don't want to go spend a lot of money on a pot and you don't know if it's quite for you, and if you want to gradually get yourself into it, this is a great pot to start with. I want to say it was probably no more than $15 at Walmart. So yeah, again, you need to have, they have like the little rubber thing to put at the bottom. You never can or pressure or water bath anything without having something at the bottom because you don't want the jars to click and break or nothing down there. But anyway, they have those on the same aisle that you get all your canning supplies. It's like a little rubber round thing you put at the bottom, like $5, $4, $5, whatever. And they have like the little canning starter kits as well. But I'm going to also link a pot like this at the bottom. I think I have one in my list, but I definitely have like the little tools and supplies. Okay, so this one to get you started. If you wanted to start by making jams, you know, just kind of getting your feet wet. Yeah. So hope this video was helpful. Check you guys out later. I will definitely be dropping a few more, just talking about the basics. And this is a great time to just start investing in tools to help you have food that's more sustainable.